guys follow me if y'all want to see a black lizard.
You want to go see the black lizard?
I had a black lizard in my hand. I'm going to catch the black
Come on, Ron. I go with you. Where we going?
Everybody, stop stepping and make it.
I want to get that blue tail lizard on camera. It was fast, too.
Oh, I saw a lizard. And it jumped.
There's lizards everywhere.
Why like this?
Oh, I seen it. You saw it jump? Elijah, don't hurt the lizard. Come on, where we going?
I don't want to go inside.
I didn't say we was going to side, Elijah. The road ended, so we had to turn.
I saw a spider. Yeah, and they're sleeping. Not the lizard.
Oh, yeah.
Why is there no lizards coming in here? Mommy, let's go inside.
Big mushrooms.
I keep going around. I don't want to keep going around. Mommy.
Ari, I heard you. I will take you upstairs.
What is that in your hand? What is that in your hand?
Palm trees. Elijah, what you have back there? You got a what? You got a green spider? What is it there? What's that noise? Let them see what's in your hand. Wow.
What is that? That butterfly?
Wait,
I got it.
am I on the wrong tree? Yeah.
I got it. I got it. Oh, you see a lizard going.
They all in the trees. Ronald?